Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, I get people who ask me if I can send them a list of all the winning indicators that we have discovered. If you are interested in receiving a list of all the indicators that we have tested, including the ones that we have discovered, but you are not interested in going back and watching all the videos from the beginning and all the way through to date, then what you can do is you can sign up for our Patreon. If you sign up for the $9 a month Patreon, then I will send you a list of all the indicators that we have tested to date. I also send out a updated list every week of all the indicators that we have tested up to that point. And if you are just interested in supporting the channel, there is a lower tier Patreon at about $3 a month that you can sign up for as well. So look for the Patreon link down below in the description to sign up for either of those. Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing Chande's QStick indicator. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing Chande's QStick indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 231 indicators. And out of those 231 indicators, 87 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 87 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so as I said, today's indicator is Chande's QStick indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. I am going to make one minor adjustment to it here, and I am going to turn off these plotted circles. So basically, if we scroll in here, just a quick explanation is each dot represents a candle, and each candle color, so if it's closed red, shows up as a red dot. If it closed green, shows up as a green dot. And so that's basically what those are plotted on for. I don't think we really need them. Basically how we are going to be testing this is as a 0 line cross. And so you can see here it rotates or pivots around the 0 line. And what we are looking for is the break below to go short or the break above to go long. Pretty simple setup, and again, that's how we will be testing it today. So let's see here, move that over a little bit closer, and let's get on with it and see what we can get out of this indicator. All right, so I might actually do this. There we go. That makes it just a little bit easier to see when we are getting crosses. So I switched it from an area to a column. So there is the area. I switched it to a column. Basically reads the same exact thing. Just get it plotted just a little bit differently. So we have the break below right there. So let me just double check here. We get our first break below. Yep, it is right there on that one. There we go. And you see that it falls rather quickly right after giving a short signal. Then we pick up a long signal over here. Let's see. On that one right there. And once again, takes off rather nicely, getting us to take profit. Then a short here. Measure that out. Whoops. Not that. This. Measure that out one more time. From there to there. And on the reverse side, there to there. Yep, it got us to take profit. All right, we will continue on here. We get a spike to the upside right there on that one. Let's go ahead and play it out a little bit more here. So unfortunately, that one does not work out for us. Then we get a spike to the downside right there. That one appears as though, yep, got us to take profit. Then we get this one right here. That one unfortunately would have stopped us out. Then a short right here. Let's measure that out. That one would have gotten us to take profits. Following along here. Long right there. Followed almost immediately by a short. And once again, along there. The longs are not working out too well. Neither did the short. And we finally pick up along there. That gets us to take profit. Gets us moving a little bit more. So I'm going to cut some of this video out here so that way it doesn't get too long. We'll pick this back up when it gets a little bit closer to the end of the year. All right, we are into December now. Looks like we pick up one more signal right there. Yep. And that does it there. Let's see. Yep, right about there. So let's add these up and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, and 33. So 33 signals all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So we barely missed the 60% criteria, got super close, but unfortunately that is not going to do it. It seemed like it did really well, until it ran into a ranging, choppy market. And as soon as it did, it got whipsawed in and out pretty bad. And so if it wasn't for those, would have done a lot better. But as it stands, it did not meet the criteria, so it's going on the no list for now. We'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.